This video, I will show you how to get Binance virtual card. So basically, you just have to log into your Binance account. So open the Binance application or visit the official Binance website. Log in with your credentials, such as your email address, phone number, or other methods. Now, in order for you to get or to have this Binance virtual card, you need to verify your identity or KYC. Complete identity verification here if you haven't done so already. Binance requires this to issue a virtual or physical card. So you have to go to your profile identification, complete the steps right here to submit your documents, such as this one: ID, passport. Okay, sometimes it depends on your country or your location, but these are the following requirements that are needed. So, step three, access the Binance card page. On the Binance app or website, navigate to the card sections. On the application, tap the More button from the home screen and scroll down to find card under the finance category. On the website, go over to finance at the top menu and select Binance card. So apply for the Binance Visa card, click on get started. You will see, or instead of get started, you will see order card. You will see an option to apply for the Binance Visa card. This is what it looks like. Now, you can choose a virtual or physical card. Binance offers a virtual card for online purchases and physical card for in-store use. If you choose the virtual card, you can use it immediately for online purchases after approval. If you want a physical card, it will be mailed to you, but the virtual card will be available while you wait. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.